Alright, well, good morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro, and we got Hero Dirt, baby. We are out here in the Baldy Mesa area for Robert's group ride. Robert is leading this one this time. A little bit of a smaller group today, which surprises me because everybody knew that this dirt was coming, but we were anticipating it to be like 109, 113, something like that, because that's what it's been for the last several weeks. So like last minute, maybe within a week ago, we saw the weather was supposed to shift just for today. Rain came in last night, and things could not be better. We got two guys stuck on the hill. So he's running out that way. I'm gonna go try to follow his tracks. Okay. Everyone's either at the Widowmaker or at the... Yeah.
Okay. Hey buddy, there?
Yeah.
Larry's at the Widowmaker.
Okay.
So we'll wait here if you want to meet up. Do you have another guy with you?
So he's coming down from the cross right now.
Oh, okay. I see someone coming down.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, if you want to head to Widowmaker, we're regrouped.
All right.
All right,
thanks. Bye. Whew! Too much freaking hiking today. Oh my God. Dude, you're a freaking animal. That was the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. Were you in first gear? Oh my God. Oh, this dirt is so good.
I didn't know I was on the end.
I'll just spot you. Go ahead. Cool. Thanks, man.
No problem.
Up here with the cool kids. Oh, Aaron! Oh, Aaron got freaking hosed. Kel, you got Aaron so good.
Did I get you?
So good, dude. That was exciting. Freaking Aaron. Oh no! Alright, so we were at 11. Now we're at 7. Some of the guys had things to do with the rest of today that they think are better than this. So, small group, still making our way down to the wash. Gonna get lunch at some point. Oh! Woo! No dabs. Oh man. Whew.
Seen anything like that before?
Never seen anything like that before.
Nope, definitely not. That's amazing. Looks like it's been there for.
Alright, just had lunch. Back on the trail. There's gonna be a bit of a gap in this video because we just came across something that we'll probably never see on trail again. And it was really weird, really disturbing. But we came across a dead body. Looked like it had been there for a couple weeks. Decomp was... Seriously? I'm not going up that crap. Anyway, so yeah. Came across a dead body. Looked like it had been there for a couple weeks. Starting to like decompose. So we had called in. And we're out here in the middle of nowhere. Had to run out to the road. Flag them down. Hike them back in. All that. Good times.
Yeah, this is the way.
Where are our tracks?
I saw some of them back there.
That was like a vertical freaking thing that Kel hit. I was like, no. Oh, Robert's down. Make a hole! Here goes. Okay. He got a big old 2 pieces of rebar jammed in his back wheel.
Yeah, don't go that way.
Oh my god! Oh! 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 Corey just got hosed so bad. That was amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one. We're making our way back towards Robert's house. It was a really fun ride, really interesting ride. It's been one. That's for sure. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Later!